Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing problems on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. So, as you can see, we have currently been connected to some sort of Bluetooth device, and that Bluetooth device is my little headphones here. But let's say that you have some problems, I don't know which. I will generally try to show you how to troubleshoot any kind of Bluetooth problems. The very first step of troubleshooting anything is to simply turn it off. Leave it like that for about a few seconds and then enable it back on. Trust me, this might seem pretty foolish, but this is actually something that works, and it works more times than you expect. But of course, let's say that it didn't fix your issue. What then? Well, you want to go and press and hold onto the Bluetooth icon, and we have the ability to break the chain by clicking this icon, or we can go into more settings, the little I to give more information, and in here we have much more. So we can go into disconnect, which will forcefully disconnect but not remove the connection entirely, which lets us click it one more time and reconnect with it without turning off the Bluetooth. But still, let's say that it did not help you. Well, then we can go back to the settings, and now we want to unpair them completely. And now our device will behave like it never connected to that headphones in the first place. So let's repair it. We can take our device, Bluetooth device, and the general rule of thumb is that you want to press and hold the power icon to actually turn it off. And now when you're turning it on, you want to keep pressing and holding, even though it's technically turned on, until you will hear a Bluetooth pairing or a little rapid flashing like that. Now if we go to refresh, we can see that in available device we have new device. This is our headphones. We can click that and we are successfully repairing. We can disallow the access, hit repair, and as you can see we have successfully repaired the headphones. Of course, after you have done all of that and you're still having some troubles, then there are a few things that you want to do. First of all, I would simply advise you to borrow a headphones and another phone from your friend, and then you want to basically do this. You want to use your device and connect it to your friend's headphones to see if this phone's Bluetooth is working fine, and then you want to take their phone and try to connect it to this device that you have troubles on. This is a very easy diagnosing issues way of doing things, but generally it will allow you to see which device is exactly at fault here and which you do need to, for example, switch to or go and leave it to get repaired or anything like that. But as far as the basic troubleshooting goes, this is all you need. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!